What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to episode 2 on the Neighbour's surprise car makeover. Now, last episode obviously we did the bumper refurb, so in today's video we're going to give the car a proper good clean. So I'm going to start by getting the hoover out and we'll give the interior a proper good scrub. Roll the intro. So as I was getting everything out to do the hoovering on the inside, it did start raining, so we had to put the electrics away, but we slapped on the back bumper and it's much better. You can't even tell where we did the repairs and all the scratches are gone, but we'll get some more clips at the end of the video where we do a little bit of montage. But it stopped raining now, still pretty windy, so we'll get the interior hoovered out. What's up everyone, welcome back. It is the next day. Yesterday obviously we did the interior, but I had to stop because it did start chucking it down, so we had to put all the electrics away. So today it's nice and sunny, there's very little clouds in the sky, so we'll get the machine polisher out, we'll fit the front bumper and then we'll give the whole car a good machine polish. Headed down to AUTOPARTS this morning, picked up some new floor mats and we got some cutting compound. And they also gave us a couple of free beanies, looks sick, a couple of hats, and we got a couple of mugs. We'll definitely be making some tea in them later, so if you are ever in the Larkhall area, head down to AUTOPARTS. They're very good, they're always hooking us up with some awesome deals. And yeah, check them out. We'll start by getting the front bumper on the car, and then we'll give the full car a good machine polish. So the front bumper clipped on nicely, it's looking much better now that it's painted, and I also gave the engine bay a quick clean with some rubber and trim cleaner, and it's looking much better as well. Now the last thing to do is give it a good machine polish, and that's what Dad started on now. So that's us just finished up doing the machine polishing and then putting some wax on, and the car's looking probably as sparkly, probably more sparklier than it came out of factory. Hey Dad?
It's looking good.
And the last few bits to do on it is put the number plate back on. We got new floor mats for it, and then I think we're going to add a little touch of our own to it, so stay tuned.
Line it up.
Why?
You're scratching it.
Look at that. I've just made my new hole.
No, you.
Okay, so earlier in the video when I said we were going to add our own little touch, this is what I meant. We're going to get rid of this crusty Arnold Clark one and put on one of the limited edition home built ones. So let's go and grab the heat gun and we'll get this mess off.